Hi guys, I'm going to do a quick EDC pocket dump for you and show you what I carry with me every day. So let's jump right in. Alright, first I got this simple leather billfold by Columbia. It's got a nice little pocket, it carries all my cards. It's got a nice little Swiss card in here. It's got scissors, a little scalpel knife, magnifying glass, tweezers, pin, screwdriver, flashlight. It's great for doing splinters or any type of first aid. You know, it's just a great little simple tool. Right? Nothing too fancy. Then I always carry this little golden cross pencil. It's my grandfather's. It's always good to have a writing utensil. Nothing special keys, just safe keys, house keys, and car keys on a leather belt loop. Nothing too fancy there. Alright. Okay, wear a watch. It's just a simple old watch. A cell phone. Everyone carries a cell phone these days. And a lighter. And if you don't smoke, I still recommend you carry a lighter. You never know when you need to make fire. But I do smoke, so I carry a pack of cigarettes. And if you don't smoke, that you could barter and trade cigarettes for something you need. You never know. And then I have this little utility knife in my small pocket for opening boxes, so I don't have to mess up my good knives. You know, real something light and simple. For my main knife, I got a CRKT, Atanashi no Ken. It's a real good knife for self-defense. My back pocket, I got a mag light. I don't carry any special zebra light or pocket light or anything. I stick with this. It's never gone wrong with me before, and I can always find batteries and light bulbs for it. And last but not least, my .357 snub nose revolver in this little case. It works, and no paracord. You know, I keep all that stuff in my car, and you know, I'm never too far away from my car, so I can get a bag out of that. And so thanks for watching.